C, two-way strategy, or letter D, direct mode.
It's collaborative approach. Okay? Small group discussions, collaborative approach.
Next, 604. Wala bang 603, sir?
Wala ba?
Saba na.
Okay, so
Nagloko na po ang cellphone, guys. Wala na.
Alright. So,
Iyan. Sana, nagloko ng cellphone ako. Saba, nak.
Here are some results from the web.
Patakarag touch na.
So, 604. Alright. So, Teacher Melvina demonstrated the deductive method in her English class. Based on her teaching demo, she asked the students to outline, or she asked the class to outline
Saba, nak.
the teaching method. The students outlined to serve as the starting point of the class discussion and on the steps of deductive method. If Teacher Melvina
Lian.
said letter A, no, she ran to inductive, letter B, yes, she began with the conflict, letter C, she ran to deductive, letter D, both deductive and inductive.
So, anong ginawa ko daw? No? So, version daw of me. Is it, did I go inductive or did I go this letter? B.
Letter B. Next, 611, may sagot na po.
Oo. Fix, ito na-rationalize ko na po ito. No? So, Teacher M would give a token to his students. Every correct answer. Sinong binigyan? Students. May oras pa dyan?
Nagloko na ako cellphone, guys. Takarag touch iya.
Sinong binigyan? Students. May oras pa dyan? Wala. So, ang interval, oras man yan, di ba? So, wrong na siya. Every student, that's fixed ratio. Okay? Did you get my point? Pag sinasabi ko namang hindi fixed, variable ratio. Pag sinasabi ko namang every 1 minute, fixed interval. Pag sinasabi ko namang every, walang masyadong definite time, variable interval. Next.
Next, 612.
Nakabuang na ako cellphone, oh.
Ha?
Nakabuang na ako cellphone. Saan ako pag-review ron?
Buang
Na?
na. Cellphone.
Yeah, nakabuang na akong cellphone.
Buang. Buang.
Hanggang 1896 lang taon.
Buang.
1896. Wait, sorry. Ang saan 1972 to 1986.
Dana nga, diba? Diba?
Pataka nag-touch-touch yung cellphone ako, guys, oh.
Wala.
Nabuang na yun.
Cellphone, buang.
Na.
Isa mana.
Hindi na ako ka tuwa sa review.
Isa mana sila. Video.
Diri bang good sa ani nga cellphone nakalagin akong sa akong pag-review.
Kuya ko na, daddy.
Karaan na kayo yung cellphone ni nagkabuang-buang na.
Buang?
1986. Ilang taon kaya yun? Sige. 22 plus 6, 14 years.
Maotat niyan.
So, kita, you get my point? So, minus 14 na sila. Dalawa lang yung taon na nakasila. So, mas panalo.
Na,
Nabu.
nang sa ng cellphone na.
Bakit?
Disa mana suna bono. Disa na suna bono.
Hindi na ako makapag
Nabulit yan. Okay? Ayun na yun? Hindi. Sabay silang nag-stop ng opening.
yaw-yaw ng cellphone. Nawa na.
Ayaw. Ayaw, may usipan wat na.
Saan natin yung pag-review ron. Napit ng exam na. Diri bang good naka-register akong kuan.
Lubat na.
Okay? Ayun na yun? Hindi. Sabay silang nag-stop ng operation during World War II. So, wala pa rin panalo doon. Pero doon sa martial law, ang ating pong Manila Bulletin ay ginamit sa propaganda newspaper ng gobyerno. So, nag-continue ang operation nila. Okay? Next item.
Ito ang pagbanggo ang cellphone.
Mas maliit, mas maganda, mas juta.
I need you.
Mas close kayo. Okay, so that is letter
Lapit ang exam ko cellphone. Huwag kang magloko-loko cellphone.
Okay, okay. Kasi nga po, bari, ibig sabihin talat, ibig sabihin, hindi magkasundo, ibig sabihin, malaki. Okay.
3 years ko na, 3 years ba no? 2019.
Ano yung mag-isip, no? Napakaliwanag ang buha ko, ano ba naman to, no?
5 years na to nga phone ako, guys.
Wala namang pumapasok.
Nang loko-loko na.
Pag narating mo na ang platubler, internal wala na talaga ako maintindihan sa'yo. Wala talagang pumapasok. Pause. And then, anong gagawin? Reflect. stress, pressure, or sadya
Saman.
What caused it? Dapat yun yung isipin mo, okay? Ano yung dahilan?
Pag-behave phone, pag-behave cellphone.
Okay? Bakit ka napapagod? Push yourself. Kaya natin ito. Maliban na lang kung yung internet mo hindi gumagana. Tulad sa 5 kasi wala tayo kanina 14 na all. Ngayon, 2.6 na lang. Nalubat tayo yung iba, hindi naman na. I do not know. Okay? So that is, reflect what caused it. Bakit ka ba napagod? Stress? That's a good sign. Ikaw ay gumagaling. Okay? Next. Plan, ignoring signal interference and proximity control are techniques used by letter B. Okay? Managing service by
Excuse me, ayaw di pagkuhan.
Sabi ko, very good.
Nag-study ko.
Verbal, please. Okay? Pag sinasabi ko naman hindi kita pinapansin.
Naka-study ko. Mag-study din ako guys. Napoy maghilabot o. Na mag-self-preview ko. Napoy mag-sinamok.
Antiseptic bouncing. Okay? Antiseptic bouncing. Why are you taking?
Tukar na po na akong cellphone. Kahit
I found these results.
nagbuang. Mag-touch-touch na sa kanyang sarili.
Here is some information about
Malabo. Bot, di mo cellphone. I need you. Huwag kang magloko
these
ngayon.
are the top results.
Malapit na exam. Pag-cooperate po taon cellphone, maluoy ka. Self-review ako. Maawa ka sa akin cellphone. Mag-cooperate ka. Mag-cooperate ka, please.
Kulit ka, please.
Naka-register kasi ako guys sa self-review ko dito na phone. So, hindi siya pwedeng makagamit ako ng ibang phone ngayon. Apoy isang garaon kayo. What's anak? Mag-studies ako na, please. Lian. Puyo nak, puyo ba? Muna si Sir Melvin Bracho, muna akong isudlan guys.
Antiseptic.
Dahil ako
Why are
gasol
you taking
TV.
screenshots? Nakita mo yan. Why are you taking screenshots?
Lian!
That's removal of inactive objects. Kinabahan ka ba doon? Sinubukan mo yung mga group. I-compare mo yung mga sagot. You are learning sa mag-ibang them. Hindi naman sila.
Oh, ba?
Okay, you do your own research kapag nagdududa ka sa akin ha. Natawa ka pa eh, no? Tapos anonymous ka pang nagpo-post dyan sa mga group para hindi ka ma-identify.
Paita po, oy. Napay, ugli akong cellphone magkabuang na. Apo ni anak na tong
Transfer ng sheet. That physical restraint. Okay? Physical restraint. Next item.
ang kinabuhin.
Values education, faith, hope, and love are believed to be permanent values whether they value people or not. Ang Panwan philosophy is anchored letter. Yeah, faith, hope. Ito yung lagi ko sinasabi, that's idealism. Realism naman po, nagpapamemorize sa mga grammar rules. Pag naman po existentialism, choice. Ano ang hindi kasali? Virtue, maliban sa virtue. Pragmatism naman po, learning by doing. Pragmatism by John Dewey. Anong kaibahan ng project method ni Kilpatrick? Kay Kilpatrick po, curriculum yun. Okay? Kay Dewey po, ito pong pragmatism by learning by doing, based po siya sa actual learning process. Okay? Ang curriculum po, mas general siya. Okay? Pero panas naman talaga sila cohesive. Project method learning by doing. Schools, we teach realities that cannot be verified, like an invisible God or Allah.
Binugay pa ka? Magbehave ka, dili. Magbehave ka, dili. Nag-study ko, dire. Magbehave pa ka, dili. Oh.
Historical foundations tayo, magsasabi natin yung three. That's Sparta and military training. Pag military tradition, that's the Romans. Okay? Athens, human capabilities. Sa Sparta and Athens, nadani po. Ang Sparta, malakasan. Athens, Athenians, that's human patalinuhan. Okay? So, that's, ang Romans naman po, utilitarianism. At kanina, sinabi ko military tradition, tama? Sa Mesopotamia po yun. Okay? Mesopotamia, tradition ng military. Okay? Ang Romans pala is utilitarianism. Okay? Ang medieval naman po, this is the time of Jesus Christ. Okay? Tama ba? Ayan. Pag naman po na teacher of all teachers, Jesus Christ. Renaissance naman po, meaning rebirth. Okay? Rebirth. Ayan. Buha. So, ito natin, no? Wala ka nakikita, tama? Pag sasabihan ng Sparta, palakasan.
Saba, anak. Don't make noise. Study ko.
Mesopotamia, military trainings. Greeks, specific. Sparta, teacher of all teachers. Jesus Christ. Malinaw ba yun? Next item. Ang India naman po, meron tayo dito. Mesopotamia, ang India, okay, wala pala akong notes. Ang India po sa Indus. River ng simula. Ang kanilang panulat, Indus script. Okay? Next, ang Mesopotamia naman po, this is the Twin River. Tigris and Euphrates, military traditions. Okay? Pag-training, that's practice, pag-tradition from Mesopotamia yan. Egypt naman po, this is ano ba meron sa Egypt line, the longest river of the world. Kung sasabihin natin China, that's Huangpu and Yangtze. Okay? Huangpu and Yangtze. Pili na ba yun? Yes, hindi ba natin ito? Dapat ba? Okay, wala makikita. Parang tutulong yung sulat ko. Sige, then. Indus River, India. What about for China? Huangpu and Yangtze. What about for Mesopotamia? Tigris and Euphrates. What about for Egypt? Nile River. System of writing tayo. Mesopotamia. Uniform. Egypt. Hieroglyphics. What about for Catalan? Bye-bye. What about for military training? Sparta. Specific. Sparta. Saang bansa yan? Greece. Okay? Kung sasabihin natin natin military traditions. Mesopotamia. Kung sasabihin natin military trainings. That's the Greeks. Kung sasabihin natin teacher of all teachers. Jesus Christ. Indus River. India. Tuloy ka na ba? Yes, very good. Palakpakan mo naman sa sarili mo. Hey, another madaling moments. Very good, di ba? Next. The Philippines. Ayan. Real time. Pag sinasabi natin spontaneity in classroom, we have their Lao Tzu. Okay? Lao Tzu. Pag sinasabi natin humans are naturally good, we have their virtues. Okay? Pag sinasabi natin founder of Islam, Muhammad. Okay? Education for all, Confucius. Kaya sa curriculum, Muslim children. Saan po na Islam? Sa Tawi-Tawi. Okay?
Lian!
Yes, founded by Abu Bakar. Pero sinong nauna? Si Mahmud. Maliban, Kagem. Okay?
Gara man kanak.
Graphic display of numerical data is okay. Grades of a member independent of member positive interdependence. Pag sinabi natin child plays alone, solitary. Okay, ang pinitry lang. Pag sinasabi natin alone ang bata, solitary. Pag sinasabi natin kayong dalawa, associative, kayong dalawa. Pag naman po, naglaro siya dito, tapos naglaro din siya dito, ang tawag dito parallel. Okay, pag naman po naglaro siya, tapos ikaw nagsusunod lang, ang tawag dito onlooker. Okay, ito yung last ikaw lang isa, solitary. Tumitingin ka lang, onlooker. Pag naman po kayong dalawa naglaro, associative. Kapag kayong ng dalawa naglaro pero hindi sabay, parallel. Malinaw ba yun? Yes, those are the types of like basic and that. Long time, ito naman pala. Meron ba ako? First, philosopher and studies of Melitos. Prof. Ed, previous questions, clue, kindergarten. That's Germany. Nakaya po yan. Education for all. Ito curriculum, spiral. Ito naman po physical environment, that's safe and secure dapat. Lahat natin, RA 7836. Bilis, text writing, Microsoft Word. Data conclusion, that's induction. Okay, pag sinasabi naman po natin grade of 80, ano? Satisfactory. Sinasabi natin lowest
Guys, kung kayo sa situation ko guys, makakonsentrate ba kayong to? Yung kasama mo. No choice, lang magbantay kay Lian.
That's differentiated instruction. Okay, so again, pag nakita nyo na po ang clue ng mga salitang to, sagot natin sa board exam. Okay, pag naman po difficult in focusing, ADHD.
Uy, anak, please.
Okay, pag sinasabi natin sensitive, science for method, grade 3 to 12. Pag sinasabi natin action research, maghanap ng problema or issue.
Okay, mag-behave ka na ako, kaya okay na ako cellphone.
Okay, clear and
Mabuang na po ni Unya.
features of early childhood.
Mag-ano lang yung phone ko guys, mag-look ko siya, mag-tukar-tukar ba?
Okay, pag sinasabi naman po natin routine in classroom management, that's roll call. Okay, roll call. Pag sinasabi naman po natin total view of students' performance, that's summative. Total view, that's summative. Malinaw, that's malinaw. Okay, pag sinasabi naman po natin show improvement, to read, anong portfolio ang gagamitin? That's development portfolio. Okay, pag sinasabi naman po natin, continuing professional
Babe, nakbe, please.
45 kapag original. During the transition period, 15. Malinaw, hindi. Malinaw. Pero kung sinasabi naman po natin poverty-stricken by slum area, socio-economic. Okay, socio-economic. Kung sinasabi natin IPED curriculum, this is ancestral domain. Okay, IP. Pag sinasabi natin psychological harmony with our reality, ego actualization. Ito yung pinakamataas, tama? Kapag walang self-transcendence, tama? Sinasabi natin self-set-up routine, this is first day ng class o last day? First day. Okay, pag sinasabi naman natin express spirituality, this is advocate of the universal values. Pag sinasabi naman natin learning through observation, that is regardless learning. Pag sinasabi natin human dignity, that's working with people na may magkaibang views.
Behave ba na, please?
Organizations, portfolio yan. Okay? Sinasabi natin city, ano yun? Nutrients and free for households. Okay? Pag sinasabi natin disability numbers, that's dyscalculia. Pero pag sinasabi naman natin infancy, that is social attachment. Okay? Pag sinasabi yes, next. Existentialism. Again, sa infancy natin, pwede rin recognition sa kanyang mama. Choice and will natin, we have existentialism. Okay? Pag naman po 4 hours, essentialism. Okay? Pag naman po lifelong learning, progressivism. Pag naman po contributes balance in sexuality, hormones. Okay? Hormones. Pag naman po role of teacher, facilitator. Okay? Pag naman po question has many lungs, anong tawag? Overmutilated. Tama po. Yan. Kung sinasabi natin super ego students, their ideal situation, consensya. Okay? Pag naman po physical exercise before entering a class, ano ang pinaka-perform? Shooting. Okay? Pag naman po fun learning, that's group games. Okay? Pag naman po behaviorist experiments, that's other subjects. Ano nga yung lagi sinasabi ni Sir Calvin? Pasar si BLJ. Tapos, ito na. Okay, tinagdag ko. Okay? Again, experiment, Pavlov, Atos, Skinner, Rat, Bocodal, Bandura, Little Albert, Jan Watson, and then cats naman, pasar si BBLJ sa pag-agaw ng cats ni Thorndike. Ayun, so yung mga cats ni Thorndike, ginagaw ni LJ. Ayan, diba? Kasi nung nagawa ko ang mnemonics na to, sikat kasi yung LJ sa Satterfield at Poeta pang issue. Kaya nagawan ko po sila ng mnemonics. Okay? Pasar si BBLJ sa pag-agaw ng cats ni Thorndike. So, sino gumamit ng cat? Thorndike. Sino naman po kay Little Albert? Jan Watson. Sino naman po kay Bocodal? Bandura. Sino naman po kay Akaso? Pablo. Kay Pigeon. Kay Skinner pa rin yan. Malinaw hindi. Malinaw pa rin sikat ng next item. Pag sinasabi natin unlimited ang source mo, www. Pag sinasabi naman natin rote memorization, remembering lang yan. Pag sinasabi natin Socrates, Q&A writer lang yan. Pag sinasabi naman po natin revocation of license, ano yan? That is habitual use of drugs. Okay, pag sinasabi natin main responsibility na class management, teacher dapat. Okay, pag sinasabi natin chromosome of female, ang second one, XX, gusto mabay ka, grade of 90, outstanding and advanced. Again, outstanding
Yan guys, si God na talaga bahala. Ay, nako, Lian. Nak, please na ako study si Mami Lee. Lian. Pagbehave sa ba? Mintras yung phone ko na ano pa oh. Naging matino pa yung cellphone ko na. Pagbehave sa. Sige na. Please, magbehave ka. Mag-take og exam si Mami Lee. Buguyan mo na ko. Nawi? Ikaw ba? Bugoy ka. Okay pa yung phone ko. Sige na, hawasak mo. Buang-buang na po niyo dapit.
Pag naman po, grading on a verb, normal verb. Pag naman po, Vygotsky important practice. Ito yung important practice ni Vygotsky. Language or interaction. It's either scaffolding. Tandaan niyo po ha. Ano pa mga ginagawa ni Vygotsky? Peer discussion, pwede rin. Okay, ayan. Peer discussion. Mia is emotionally insecure. What to do? Align with their needs. Okay, align activities with their needs. Okay? Pag naman po man, concept of concrete situation is violence towards others. Revenge. Teacher help me. That is attention gather. Teacher, please do not give up on me. That's inadequacy. Okay, next. Pag naman po report student grades, anong halaga? Feedback. Pag naman po did not meet expectation, below 7.
Leon.
Grade 1 to 10 ng assessment, emphasis sa performance task. Emphasis sa performance task. Okay, pag naman po description of AD, satisfactory. Pag naman po phonics. Yung lahat ng tinanong ko sa inyo na yun, white, yung yellow, yun yung answer. Okay? Malinaw yun hindi. Sabay ko ulitin mo lang itong video na to. Okay? These two. Ayan. Sir, mga pisata, okay lang po ba kayo? Nawindang po ba? Lumaban pa rin po ha. Huwag sumuko, okay? Laban lang. Next item. You have noted? Philippine Qualification Framework. Pag naman po, PPST, Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers. Ha? Very good. Pag naman po, yung CBTS, ano meaning? That's National Competency Base for Teacher Standards. Okay? Next. Pag naman po CBTS, ano meaning? Continuing Professional Development. Meaning ng lahat. Yung alam?
Yan guys. Pa.
Check. Very good. Anong batas ng lens? Anong batas ng lens? 78, 36.
Uy, wala
Anong batas ng
yun na.
91, 55. Anong batas ng
Studies ako mo. Kaya while nagkuhan pa, naging okay pa yung phone ko, mag-study ko, mag-continue ko study. Eh, baron ako na isa ka cellphone mo.
That's Department of Education, Culture, and Sports. Ayan. Saan ibinigay si Culture? NCCI, saan ibinigay si Sports?
Bugay kita.
Malita ka. Sketch, 1, 2, 3, Gen A. Okay, tanong ko sa Gen Ed, okay? NCBSSH. Minsan nagsukulit sa ano daw. School heads sa PPST. PPSSH, okay? Malinaw? Yes, next. ADM natin. Ano yung mga ADM? Nasabi ko na kanina? Impact, ano pa? Ano pang, what?
Yan guys.
OHSP, ano pa?
Si God na talaga bahala. Yung mag-self-review ako pero may kasamang hindi ako makapag-concentrate. Dito namang phone ko.
Community and teachers. Tama. Yan. Pag naman po is, ito yung bibigay sa mga malalayong lugar. Effective and affordable secondary education.
Maganda talaga to si Sir Melvin Buracho. Dito lang ako sa kanya.
Open high school.
Nagbayad.
Etong is pala. Sorry. Ito po yung para sa system. Sorry. Ang
Online
OHSP,
review na ako, self-review.
Educational Law Studies. PD1006. Okay, pag naman po, 7836.
Leon.
9293 amendments ng 7836. Malinaw hindi?
Gara ka ka na. Undang ba? Nababay guys na. Bugoy kay ka.
Sabi natin, ALS. That's 356. Okay, ALS 356. Executive Order 356. Pag naman po 46.
Lian ba, please?
Sabi natin 72, 77. Pag naman po 1425. Okay. Pag naman po RA 6654. Free public secondary education. RA 67. Last pay. Okay. Pag naman po 7610. Sabi natin 7677. Anti-sexual harassment. RA 1067. That's anti-bullying. RA 173. Ano to? Data privacy act. Tandaan niyo po yan. Yun yung laging iisipin. That is pre-tertiary education. Kalinaw? 10126. 10175. That is anti-cyber crime law. Okay.
Ganito kahirap guys. Ganito kahirap yung situation.
Anti-cyber.
I-smile ko na lang lahat.
Bawal bastos law. Okay, that's letter RA 11313. Okay, that's
Wala din ako magawa sa batang to.
daon.
Wala akong magawa sa bata na to, guys. So, no choice kasi, ayan.
Guys,
Center of Excellence.
ako daon.
8990, that's
Oh, anak, please na, please, please.
8190, that's equalization.
Enough na ba?
EA 576, that's persons in authority. Right? We are persons in authority. Tayo po yan.
Hyper kasi liyan.
Kailangan ko bang i-memorize yung answer? Hindi. I'm just showing you na yun yung mga
Mag-studies
dapat
ako na,
malaman.
please.
Hindi naman ko nagpapamemorize.
Malapit na yung exam.
Okay. Pero kung gusto mo talagang iyong
Exam.
laliman pa, pag-aaral mo, basahin mo yung mga provisions. Okay? Pero
Yan,
again,
anak,
kapag alam mo
please.